That's Amber Hotel. I'm staying here tonight. It's a beautiful hotel. Good things. They do pick up drop off service at Terminal 21 and also the Recap. They do. So this is the drop off service at Terminal 21, Central Marina and Central Festival Beach. Julbai, Central Festival, Terminal 21 or which one? It's the Amber Hotel. They got the really nice swimming pool. Oh, it's nice. Concierge area is a nice concierge area. So that's Amber Hotel concierge area. It's a beautiful modern concept. Amber Hotel, you get 2 complimentary drinks. I have 2 people. I got my family. I got room number 229 and Amber Hotel. So I'm staying in Amber Hotel. So they actually give you 2 key cards. One you can keep here and one you can take with you. So room is always cold. Usually a lot of hotels just give 1 key card. And when you go out, rooms get hotter. Pretty interesting concept. There is open space for hanging your clothes. See, it's open space. And that's for luggage storage area. So you can keep your luggage. Is basin. What do you get? You get hair dryer, 2 nice towel. As usual, basin. That's hand wash, 2 hand towel, glass, ability to get brush, cotton bud, shower cap. Bathroom and shower area is separate. Yep. So that's the shower area. You get that's the shower. It's a big shower head, and you have handle to. You can use that one if you want. Not big, but it's okay for 1 person. And that's bathroom. Two glass, 2 free water, mug, Nescafe coffee, cheap coffee, and a bottle of pinot, which is good. Kettle. Fridge. Yeah, it's cold. I was staying on Holiday Inn Express. The fridge is in a room, but it doesn't work at all. But this one at least working. Big bed. The point is point 2. The remote for aircon, TV. It's a huge bed, 4 pillow, nice and soft. Bed is medium foam, so which is good. It's a big bed mattress, huge. That's extra queen size. This bed size looks like a balcony, small balcony. Not much view. You can see Al President from here. Couple of chairs in a balcony. Huge bed. I have 2 USB port. That's pretty much. nice big TV. I think that's 42 inch. I think, yeah. So we get complimentary drinks to Blue Sky, and the chef will gonna make it, right? Thank you, Cup. The Amber Hotel has really nice swimming pool. It's a beautiful swimming pool. Wow. Look at that. Gorgeous pool. Beautiful pool. Small gym, only few items, but the view is good. You can watch swimming pool while you're doing your cardio, which is pretty good. Small gym. Breakfast time. Breakfast starts 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Let's go. Let's go. Mind Bistro. That's a dumpling. You can have a roti too. Wow, that's first time. Egg station. Egg, what kind of eggs you have? Egg Benedict. Wow, I like that. Soft poached egg, scrambled egg, omelette. All kind of eggs in here. Chefs will prepare for it. And that's the outside. Breakfast with swimming pool view. Machine. 2 coffee machine. This kind of sugar is the brown. Maybe. Different kind of teas in here too. Yellow label. English breakfast. Ali bread. What's that? Traditional. Hot water milk. There's a Thai coffee tea area. That's a sitting area. It's quite a big, large